Welcome this video. Front yard landscape without glasses as complete gas have long been the defined choice for front yard landscape in main part of the world. However, in recent years, homeowner and landscape design have shifted away for the traditional first laws in various of more sustainability, low maintenance and various alternate weather due to canvas about whether water canvas main interest cost or simple depend on something more unique landscape. A front yard without glass in is insignificant. Popular appear we explore the benefit of going glass free design principle to guess your plants a range of beautiful landscape idea purple type of success a way to glass free main interest lead requested mold functional edge patrolling center a gas free landscape when while plants can be cut due on the time and effect requested to keep your front yard look great. Often requested that can be run off into water supported and ecosystem. Low maintenance yard with natural plants and boho and supported loft wildlife like bird fixability without the limitation of the glass lord you can create a unique front yard that represents your personal style rock made design decoration plants and architecture elements all of create freedom key design principle benefit dive into sophistication landscape idea. It's important to understanding a few fundamental design principles that can help guess your project functionally. Think about how to want to use the space if your various appear or do not want area to sub entertain entertain to guess a functional design help your landscape is both beauty and usable. Balance and controlling. Create interior by max textile, create color and shape. Low maintenance focus. If one of your goal is the rate, keep upkeep select material and plant that are located requested, minimize attach free landscape idea for the your front yard. Here are some of the most effective and eye sketch idea for front yard landscape without gas. Stone gardening use growing or decoration rock to gas can create a scene and sophistication look. You can edge the growing with metal and stone bring to keep its bring us a few plants like unit glassing and interior design that with natural plants much often a clean original look and help recast combine it with natural doubling plants to create a low maintenance sustainability landscape also determined weak and some flower bed plastic boho year after roll with minimize minimalities choose a mix to various color throughout the season. Black eyes flowers are great for temperature controls. Group cover alternate replace gut living group cover like create covered sand and mouse those low growing plants quick suffocation weak and do not need move hard escape walk away stone bring or calculation can be used to create walk patio do not geometric palette with covered bed or convince of modern look consider for better during riverbed make a natural stone use rock river rock and bed this is effective on superior a way to can wake and central weak runoff you can gardening or wake flower the edge for a natural feel outdoor living space turn part of your front yard into a functional living area a smart patio with chair and bench or even a fire break area can be a welcome focal point surrounding it with pots plants or a privacy yard adapting landscape, incorporating functional tree, herb or vegetable into your front yard. Raise a pear tree are both beauty and useful. This adds personals to your focal point. Plants type for a free yard. Successfully traditional away requested careful plants. Here are a few tips to make this process smooth and effective. Remove glass pens. There are some to remove exact. Choose apartment planted, focal and natural during. Special for your requested, those requested low maintenance and are like thought without consider attach. Use layout or interior. Plants to hide and space attach bring convenient tree, sub or gardening cover to create awareness. Installed deep water during to plants root warm convenient. This with a time of effective alternate water. Consider sun and shade. Plants your layout basic on how much sunlight define area requested shade love plant a way to bring in whole sun in various take about all season select plant with various bamboo time of the requested color interior every gardening or structure elements like rock or suffocation to keep your yard interior roll year round. Front yard theme to inspire you. Here are a few design theme you can advertising basic on your test and climax. Modern minimalism, clean line,